Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in home networking. Today, we're tackling how to change your cable modem with Comcast Xfinity in 2025. With Xfinity rolling out faster speeds and better compatibility standards, upgrading your modem is easier than ever. Whether you're dealing with slow connections or just want to future-proof your setup, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to check compatibility. Head over to the Xfinity website or app and use their Modem Finder tool. In 2025, Xfinity requires devices that support the latest DOCSIS 4.0 standard for optimal performance, so make sure your new modem meets these specs to avoid any headaches. Next, gather your gear. You'll need a compatible modem. Either buy one online or rent from Xfinity. Don't forget your coaxial cable, power cord, and any Ethernet cables for wired connections. Once you're set, contact Xfinity support. Give them a call or chat online to let them know you're swapping modems. They'll guide you through deactivating your old one and might even help with activation codes. Now, for the hands-on part. Unplug your old modem and gently disconnect all cables. Take a moment to label them if you're unsure. Trust me, it'll save time. Plug in your new modem. Connect the coaxial cable to the wall outlet, and hook up your power. If you're using Ethernet, connect that too. Activation is key. Use the Xfinity app or website to enter your modem's MAC address. This usually takes just a few minutes, but if you're in a hurry, the app's live chat can speed things up. Once activated, test your connection by running a speed test and checking your devices. A few quick tips. If you run into issues like no signal, double-check your cables or restart your router. And remember, always handle equipment carefully to avoid damage. Upgrading can boost your internet speed significantly, so it's worth it. There you have it. Changing your cable modem with Xfinity in 2025 is straightforward and empowering. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.